The 2007 Caliber. The Dodge Caliber is unique inside and out. Its sassy, smart exterior styling combines with numerous clever interior features, such as a flip-out iPod holder and a chilled glove box compartment. You'll love the smoothness of the transmission and the quietness of the cabin. A joy to drive, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: FWD, security package, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power mirrors, rear wiper, halogen headlamps, front disc rear drum brakes, compact spare tire. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.